Mitran. I, Rehana Kasli, representing Bright Star International School, Billimora, would like to explain you the topic house and quarters of maths subject in maths textbook, page number 96. I am going to teach you many shapes from a half sheet. Take a piece of paper, cut the sheet into two equal triangles so that each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. Okay, one piece of paper you have to take, and then you cut two equal triangles, and each triangle is equal to half of the sheet. Okay, set the two triangles with different colors. That both triangles you have to do different type of color. One is the red, one is the green color. Okay, now next draw a different shape using this triangle. One such shape is shown here. Here we have to show one is the red color and one is the green color triangle. So we have to draw both triangles. We have to keep different sides. So what happened this time, we have to draw triangles. Okay, this one side is the red and one side is the green. Both are the equal side. Okay, both are the equal side. Okay, we have to keep of this type also, this triangle. One is down, one is up. Okay, so one rectangle is happen. One side is red and one side has green. Okay, now next, in how many different way can you cut a rectangle into half? Okay, draw 5 different way. Okay, our has given only this type rectangle. Okay, this type is rectangle is we have to given. So in middle we have to two parties do equal both sides, 1 and 2 part we have to make draw. Now next rectangle is given this type, means different shape has we have to show. This type have, so in middle we have to part of this type. Okay, this type. Now third one we have to do of this type, that middle this side too we have to take part. So different shape is happen. Okay, this type of shape. And now fourth one, this rectangle is given of this type. This we have to do draw with ruler. Okay, you use with ruler 1 and 2 this type of shape. And then last fifth one, rectangle is given of this type, we have to draw this type. Okay, both equal part will happen, you use with ruler. Okay, so you draw in your textbook. Now next, many way to make quarters. I make 4 part like this. Each part is a quarter. Okay, this 1 2 3 4. So each part is one part. One part of this one part is called quarter. One part is called quarter. And I can write this as 1/4. This right of which type? 1/4. Quarter is right of this type, 1/4. It means one part out of 4. One part out of 4. Okay, now in how many different way can you cut a rectangle into 4 equal part? Draw 5 different way. Okay, so now we have to show this 4 equal part. Our given is rectangle of this type. So quarter part means 4 part. Quarter part means 4 part. Here you do draw same 4 equal part. You have to take measure and you have to draw same 4 equal part. 1 2 3 4. And write in here 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, same as it is like here. Okay, now second answer that have this type of rectangle. Plain rectangle is given, that you have to draw in between this one part proper, in between this one part proper. You use ruler. Okay, you use with ruler and you do same equal all 4 part. Okay, then next this part is this type. In between middle part you have to draw one line and cross middle to this side, and here also you cross middle to this side. So 1/4 happen. Okay, this type. Now next this type, that draw rectangle is given this type here. In middle you have to one line has drawn, and this middle we have to cut off one part of this type, and one part of was given going on this side. Okay, one part is going on this side. This type you have to do. Now next opposite sides. One middle line you have to draw. That part is this side and this side. Okay, this side. Okay, so children, this activity you have to write in your textbook. I will send this PDF. You use ruler and you draw this line, make two equal part all are. Okay, thank you children.